Welcome to the latest edition of Relationship Tips. Today's topic, the silent male. Did you know that for a woman, being with a silent male is one of the scariest things? Especially when she notices her partner is struggling emotionally and just hasn't found a way to share those feelings by putting them into words. So, what will her brain do in the absence of words? Her brain will fill the silence by creating a story to help make sense of what she believes her partner is thinking. Unfortunately, when this happens, the story is too often fear-based. Now, take some time to think about your deepest relationship fear. For example, if abandonment is the thing you fear the most, your brain might create a story that your partner's silence means he is actually planning to leave you. So try the following tips instead. If you are the quiet one, consider how your silence is affecting your partner. You may think you are protecting her by figuring things out in your head, but in actuality, your silence has the exact opposite effect. By using open and transparent communication, it will reduce her anxiety and minimize the relationship conflict. So, go ahead and take the risk and share your internal world. You may have once been frightened to reveal yourself, perhaps risking rejection when you were younger. Today, however, your partner will actually feel much safer and more connected to you when she hears your words as you share your feelings. For example, if you say, "I'm worried about the office gossip that a number of our jobs are being cut," or "They've called a meeting for later today and I'm worried I'll lose my job," or even, "This is all happening so fast, I don't know what to do." When you share your feelings by putting them into words, your partner won't have to create a story that can create further relationship problems. In fact, the opposite will likely occur. You'll most likely receive physical affection and words of comfort in return. This communication process creates a loving alliance where you can then work with your partner toward finding a solution to the problem. Now, imagine if the opposite were to occur in this scenario. And instead of sharing your feelings by putting them into words, you decide to numb your anxiety by exploring your Facebook feed and ignoring your partner. She may experience your withdrawal as abandonment in the relationship. She may even feel angry and poke the bear just to get any type of response instead of silence. All of this could create a very different outcome. So, as you push through your fears of being rejected or criticized when problems arise, and instead decide to share your words, you will automatically feel more connected, helping calm your partner as well. And if you are the one living with a silent male, be sure to share with him just how much you love to hear what's on his mind, and how it helps you feel even more connected to him and calmer in the relationship. A few words go a long way. So until next time, remember, change happens best when insight is combined with action.